Hello guys and welcome to C Programming Tutorials by Amulya's Academy. In this tutorial we'll discuss about comments. Comments in C programming are used to provide information about the line of the code. Comment will contain the information about what we are doing in our program. It is widely used for documenting code. While discussing about the basic structure of C programming language, I explained you about the documentation section, right? The documentation section contains the name of the program and other necessary details of that program, and those information will be commented, and these comments will not display on the output. It won't affect the output or program. In the compilation process, these comments will be removed from the program. These comments will not have any effect on the output. There are two types of comment in the C programming language. The first one is single line comment. Second one is multi-line comment. So first we'll discuss about the single line comment. If you want to comment single line, then you can use this single line comment. To comment a single line, you can use double slash. You need to use this double slash at the beginning of the line, and after that we can write any statement here. This will comment only the single line. That's why it is called a single line comment. And at the beginning of the line we need to use this double slash. So let's see the example for this. Here we have hello world program, simple program. Here I can write a comment. First we need to use double slash, followed by I can write anything here. So I'll write it as this is hello world program. Okay, like this. Here we can see this statement color is changed, right? Because this is the comment here and we are using the editor which contains the syntax highlighting. So that's why here we can see. Now if I run this program, this comment won't affect the output. Output is just printing hello world. That's it. And you can use this comment in any place. For example, here also I can include a comment. This is my first program, like this. So this comment will not have any effect on the output. It is just for the information. So now if I execute this, okay, it will print hello world. Okay, so this is about the single line comment, and this comment will apply only for the single line. Now if I write something here, okay, this is not the comment. It will comment only the single line. Next, if you want to comment multi-line, then you can use multi-line comment. As name indicates, we can comment single or multiple line here. So to comment the multiple line, first we need to take a slash followed by the star. Then you can write anything here. Next, at the end of the comment, you need to use star followed by the slash. Here between this, you can include any statement here. So let's see the example for this. Here I'll write a multi-line comment, slash, star symbol. Next, this is my first program which will print message hello world, like this. To end this, star followed by the slash. Now this is the multi-line comment. Now if I save this and run this, here it will print hello world. We can use both comments in the same program. Here we can see. And program can contain any number of comments at any place. So we can use any number of comment in any place. And this multi-line comment can also use for the single line. If you want to comment a single line, then also you can use this. Like this. Nested comments are not possible. When we are using multi-line comment, at that time using nested comment is not possible. For example, if I am using another comment here, that is another multi-line comment, and if I am ending this like this, here we can see we'll get error. This is not the comment now. Now if I try to execute this, I'll get error. Here we can see. Nesting the multi-line comment is not possible. Here I am talking about the multi-line comment. Comments are not case sensitive, so after this double slash you can write whatever you want here. You can write in the capital letter or small letter, it won't matter. As I said, so whatever we'll write after the double slash or inside this symbol will be treated as comment, okay? For example, here I'll take another printf function and here I'll print hello, a message, right? Now if I execute this, save and execute, it will print two messages, hello, hello world, here we can see, right? Now if I use double slash here, that will be treated as the comment. Now our program won't print this message hello. So I'll show you. I'll save this and run this. Here we can see it will print only hello world. It won't print this hello message because this hello message is now a comment, so that will be removed during the compilation process, so it won't print that message. Okay, so this is about the single line and multi-line comment in C programming language. Now the question is why to use comment. As I said, comment won't have any effect on the output. Then what is the use of this comment? Why we need to use comment in our program? Comments increases the readability of the program. It gives the clarity to the program. Other programmer or user who will refer your program can easily understand what you are doing in your program. If you are not using comments in the simple short program, that's okay. But comments are especially important in large projects containing hundreds or thousands of the line in which many contributors are working on the same code. In the large project, many contributors will work on the same project, right? In that time, if you use comment, that will be very helpful. So writing the comment in the programs is a good habit. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you next class. Till then, take care.